Hi, you're still tuned to Radio Wank and the ZB Star Moment. Hey, all you guys out there, you've got to check out these Latvian babes. Wow. I just came back from Latvia and I spent 2 weeks. And boy, you think these California girls are something, man. You should check out the girls in Riga. Listen, all you horny guys out there, I just got back from a couple of fun-filled weeks in Riga, and man, those Latvian babes are something else.
Klausītājiem bez nobildēm programma Vaigmīšu brīdi programma. Jā.
There is such confusion in my mind. To pay illusion is so wild. I need nobody this afternoon. Sit back in the theater and see you soon. Standing in the rain, my dealer at the road. Change a guy, decide to lose inside. I'll meet the one the first was and now I know. But then they come and tell you me to go, oh. And then the picture the one says it acts. And you never think when you try your best. Running in the rain, my leader at the road. Change your guy, it's fine and live inside.
Tas bija jāsbāms stāvot pie Raiņa. Kur nu šī dziesma būs pirmā vietā? Droši vien būs kāda cita.
Tick-tock, watch the clock.
Why wait? Make a date.
When? Today? Where? How?
See ya.
Programmā bērneļiem.
Zvaigznīšu brīdis.